I have traveled across seven seas and walked through rain and storms to find you. You are the queen of my heart. You are the last thought in my mind before I fall asleep, and the very first one when I wake up in the morning. You are always here with me, everywhere I go. You are my dream come true. I never believed I could be so happy. My heart will always be yours. You are not just my lover, you are my best friend as well. I love you more than anything. I want to be the hands that caress your body. I want to be the lips that sick the stress of out of you. I want to be the chest you can carry on, and I want to be the ears that listen to all your problems. You are the star that shines in the darkness of the night. You are the calm in the middle of the storm. You are my forever love. I love your lips. I love the way they move when you speak. I love your eyes. I love the way they look right through me. I love your mind. I love the way it thinks. I love your heart. I love the way it beats. I will be your pillar, your rock, your foundation. I will be your lighthouse, always there for you. In the darkness, I will be the sky above you, the ground beneath you, and the air you breathe. You will live in me, and I will live in you. You are my shining star, my ever listening light, the brightness of your love has filled my life with happiness. I promise to give you joy in times of sadness. Elevate you when you are down, be your shelter in a ringing storm. I will be your rest in a weary journey. You are light at the end of a dark tunnel. You are cool glass of water in a hot and arid desert. You are my better half. Without you, I am nothing. You are my heart. Without you, I am dead. You are my soul. Without you, I have no life. You are everything to me. Every day with you is a thrill. All the things I dreamed of are now fulfilled. I now belong to a very sweet place, which is just right by your arms. Every night we talk, every path we walk reminds me of our love, which people always thoughts. You make my mistakes right. You sing those songs at night. We both know how it feels still love you after fights. It has a spell that bends me to you. Your love has a spell that binds me to you. Whenever I am there with you, I melt in your arms, my love. When you speak to me, I just want to listen to you. When you look at me with love, my heartbeat is faster than ever. My love will never change for you. You and I complete each other. A love that is pure all through. A feeling of love. Being with you is so awesome and so new, baby. I want to be in your shadow of love forever in my life. Baby, I love you so much. Will love you forever in life.